Hi everyone, this is a video about how to use your CAS to do compound interest. So we know that this is our compound interest formula. FV stands for future value, PV stands for present value, R is the interest rate, K is the number of compound periods. For example, if it's compounded annually, it's 1. If it's compounded quarterly, it's 4. And N is the number of years that you are compounding the thing. So in this equation, in this problem, Louisa invests $15,000 into an account which pays 8% compounded annually. So we know she's going to start with $15,000. Her interest rate is 8%, and she's compounding annually. Therefore, K is equal to 1. And we want to know how much her account will be after 2 years. So that means our N, number of years, is equal to 2. So we have all the information that we need in order to just plug it into the equation, or we can use the features of our CAS in order to do it. So go ahead and get out your CAS, get to a calculator window, and once you're in that window, hit the menu and choose number 8 for finance. And here you have a bunch of options. There's a finance solver, and then there are these various functions. Let's just start with the finance solver. So this brings up a table for us which includes all of the information that we need. So we're going to start at N. N is going to be the number of years times the number of compounds. So in this case, it's 2. I is the interest rate, which we know is 8. Present value is the amount that we're putting in, so that's $15,000. For some reason, your CAS makes you put it in as a negative, so we put negative $15,000. If you don't put it in as a negative, it's fine. Your future value will end up being negative. You just have to remember that it's not actually negative. I don't know what the deal is with CAS. PMT stays for payment. Leave that as 0. Future value, leave that as 0. Payments per year, leave that as 1. And then compounds per year, leave that as 1 because we're compounding once per year annually. If compounding per year was quarterly, we would change this to 4, or we would change compounds per year to 4 and payments per year to 4. And we leave the payment at the end of the month, so we don't worry about that. Okay, then we go back to what we want to solve, which is the future value, and we put our cursor there. Notice down at the bottom it says press enter to calculate, and that means we're going to calculate the future value. So we press enter, and there's our answer. So we know that in 2 years she would have $17,496. That's it. That's how you use it.